Hey ladies! Today, we're excited to share some quick and tasty meal prepare ideas specifically crafted for reducing pounds. We know how challenging it can be to find the time to prepare nutritious meals, especially for busy women. Whether you're juggling work, family, or other commitments, we've provided easy-to-prepare meals that will help you stay on track with your weight reduction goals. Meal preparation is a game changer when it comes to weight reduction. Not only does it save you time during the week, but it also minimizes stress by ensuring that your meals are prepared and ready. By preparing your meals in advance, you can maintain portion control and avoid the temptation of unhealthy snacks or takeout. Knowing exactly what you're eating helps you stay committed to your nutritional goals. So, let's explore these delicious meal prepping ideas to make your life easier and your weight loss journey more enjoyable. Let's start with breakfast, the most important meal of the day. Overnight oats are a fantastic option because they're quick, nutritious, and incredibly easy to prepare. All you need is your favorite fresh fruit, chia seeds, almond milk, and oats. Put all the ingredients in a jar, shake well, and store in the refrigerator for the entire night. By morning, you'll enjoy a tasty and healthy breakfast. You can get creative with your flavors too. Add nuts for extra crunch, a drizzle of honey for sweetness, or even some Greek yogurt for added creaminess and protein. The possibilities are endless. Next up are egg muffins. These are perfect for those mornings when you're in a rush but still want something nutritious. Whisk together some eggs and pour them into a muffin tin. Add chopped spinach, tomatoes, and a sprinkle of cheese. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes, and voila! You've got high-protein, veggie-packed muffins that are easy to store and reheat. These egg muffins are incredibly versatile. To keep things interesting, you can customize them with different vegetables like bell peppers or mushrooms. Plus, they make an excellent grab-and-go breakfast option. Moving on to lunch, let's talk about quinoa salad. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that's perfect for meal preparation. Start with cooked quinoa and add chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, and crumbled feta cheese. Toss everything with a simple lemon vinaigrette made from lemon juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. This salad is not only delicious but also incredibly versatile. You can prepare a big batch ahead of time, and it stays fresh in the fridge for several days. Feel free to mix it up by adding other ingredients like chickpeas, avocados, or even grilled chicken for added protein. Another great lunch option is chicken stir-fry. It's quick to make and packed with nutrients. Start with lean chicken breast cut into strips and boiled with bell peppers, broccoli, and a splash of soy sauce. This dish is low in calories but high in protein and fiber, making it ideal for weight loss. Serve your chicken stir-fry with brown rice or cauliflower rice for a complete meal. The best part? You can make a large batch and portion it out for the week. It's a simple way to ensure a healthy, balanced meal is ready whenever needed. For dinner, let's start with baked salmon and veggies. Salmon is delicious and rich in omega-3 fatty acids and protein, making it an excellent choice for weight reduction. To prepare, place a salmon fillet on a baking sheet and surround it with asparagus and cherry tomatoes. Drizzle everything with olive oil, sprinkle with salt and pepper, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. You can prepare this dish by adding spices to the salmon and chopping the vegetables ahead of time. When you're ready to eat, pop it in the oven. It's a simple, nutritious meal that requires little effort. Next, we have zucchini noodles with pesto. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional pasta. You can spiralize zucchini into noodles and toss them with homemade or store-bought pesto. This dish is light, fresh, and incredibly easy to make. Zucchini noodles are perfect for a quick weeknight dinner. You can even add some grilled chicken or shrimp for extra protein. This meal is so versatile that you can easily customize it to suit your taste preferences. Enjoy the freshness and simplicity of this delightful dish. Let's talk snacks and desserts, starting with Greek yogurt parfaits. These are quick and nutritious options that you can prepare in advance. Simply layer Greek yogurt with your favorite berries and a sprinkle of granola. The yogurt's high protein content will satisfy you, while the berries add natural sweetness and antioxidants. You can make several parfaits at once and store them in the fridge for grab-and-go convenience. They are perfect for a mid-morning snack or a light dessert after dinner. For those sweet cravings, dark chocolate energy bites are a fantastic choice. To make these, mix oats, almond butter, dark chocolate chips, and honey. Roll the mixture into small balls and refrigerate them for at least an hour. These bites are delicious and packed with nutrients to keep your energy levels up. They can be stored in the fridge for up to a week, making them a convenient snack to have on hand. Plus, they are perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth without ruining your weight reduction goals. Enjoy these guilt-free treats anytime you need a little pick-me-up. We hope these recipe videos inspire you to start meal preparation, which will make your weight reduction journey much easier and more enjoyable. Remember, the key to success is consistency and preparation. Having these nutritious meals ready can reduce your temptation to reach for unhealthy options. We'd love to hear from you. In the comments below, share your favorite meal prep ideas or ask any questions you might have. Let's inspire and support each other on our weight loss journeys. Try out these recipes and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy meal preparation ideas. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the following video.